Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the PPT Baam game, Circus Shuffle Cups. Let's check it out. The Circus Shuffle Cups PowerPoint game is made by Joseph of the Waygroup Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below for you to get the free downloadable copy of this PPT game. So students have to select one of the numbers from the cups to go to a question, and then they have a choice of 3 cups, and under those cups there could be points or there could be bombs or other special events. So let's have a look at this in action. I like how creepy this game is and how the students like the kind of randomness with the cups. So if you like the PPT walkthrough of this Shuffle Cup game, remember to subscribe to our channel and follow the links below to get your free copy of the game. Bye bye.